Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly build passive income that pays them thousands every month? All while you're stuck saving pennies and wondering if it's even possible? Imagine this. What if saving just $25 every single week could turn into $3,000 in monthly dividends? Money that comes to you even when you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Today I'll show you exactly how to get there. And I'm even giving you a free tracker to keep you on track. Here's the deal. It's not about making a fortune overnight. It's about starting small and being consistent. Saving $25 a week may feel tiny, but when you invest that money in the right dividend-paying ETFs, those little savings grow steadily. And before you know it, the dividends you earn can add up to $3,000 every month. That's a full-time income, generated passively. Stick with me, and I'll break down how much you need to save, where to invest, and why dividends matter. Step 1. Commit to saving $25 a week. This is your starting point. It's simple, doable, and won't break your budget. Think of it like buying one fancy coffee or skipping one night out. Step 2. Invest your savings in dividend ETFs. Not just any stocks. Choose proven ETFs like SCHD that pay steady dividends. ETFs spread your money across many companies, reducing risk. Step 3. Reinvest your dividends. Don't cash them out yet. Reinvesting dividends means you buy more shares, which means bigger dividends next time. It's a powerful snowball effect. Step 4. Track your progress. This is where my free savings and dividend tracker comes in. It helps you see how your weekly $25 turns into dividend income and grows over months and years. Seeing progress is motivating, and that's key to staying consistent. Step 5. Be patient and keep going. The magic of dividends takes time, but the steady habit of saving and investing will reward you. Picture yourself a year, 5 years, or 10 years from now, financially free and earning $3,000 a month from dividends alone. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom from living paycheck to paycheck. Freedom to spend time how you want, without worrying about bills. If you start today saving $25 a week and invest wisely, you can build this life step by step. No tricks, no magic. Just smart habits and patience. And remember, I've included a free tracker below to guide your journey. This tracker helps you visualize your weekly $25 savings, turning into growing dividend income over time. Each week, mark off your $25 saved. You'll see your cumulative savings increase in the middle column. The right column estimates the monthly dividend income you'd earn if you invested that amount in dividend ETFs, paying around 4% annually. The tracker updates week by week, showing how your passive income slowly grows even though your savings each week stays the same. Use this tracker to stay motivated and committed. It's a simple way to see your future financial freedom taking shape, 1 week at a time. Remember, consistency is the key. Even small savings, invested smartly, can create big results. If you're ready to take control of your finances and build real, lasting wealth, grab the free tracker now and start your $25 per week savings challenge. Join our community of everyday people, turning small savings into big passive income. Let's do this together.